Right, we're off and we're going to try the hill test, see how powerful this is. Only 2,000 watt, I'm 20 stone 6 foot, so I'm not expecting to get up this hill, but we'll see what sort of power this has. So let's go. Obviously I'm taking it easy because I've just built the thing, but let's see how we go. Proper steep hill this, roads all uneven, so hopefully that wheel don't fall off. It's pulling me up. I'm going up all right. I'm getting up there. Come on, you can do it. I don't want to fall off. Stop momentum. But we're going again. Obviously I've got no pedals. Pedaling would have helped. But we got halfway up and I stopped momentum. I reckon if I pushed that anymore, I would have done it. But obviously I don't want to blow it up. So what we're going to do, after we've just done that, look how beautiful it is around here. Now I've done that, I'm just going to test the torque on the back. Just check that it is all still in place. It hasn't wound out. Nope, didn't really move at all. Didn't try to come out of its slot. Check that one. All good. Nearly made it. It's only because I took off the torque, and obviously it being a hub motor, they are designed to then stop, and plus I haven't got the chain on here, so I couldn't actually help pedal. But for the size of me, if you see how steep this is, I think we've done all right. And how gravelly this is. There we go. Just want to be careful in this, but I do not want to be buckling, coming off. Right, we're off. Obviously this is really bumpy, so it's not the best, but we are going to do a speed run. Like I said, this is a giveaway, so please comment, like and subscribe.
We're going to take it down here because it's really bumpy, and it's a good test because then we know about that the back wheel, if it's all on properly, if them dropouts ain't too loose, if it ain't going to run off. When you're going over all these bumpy bits, it will loosen up a bit, so it's a good way to test. And what we're going to do, we're going to go along here, but then we're going to hit the road. We're going to then do it on a road surface speed test and actually see how we get on. I'm going to be looking to do more and more of these sort of ride-ons. I've got more powerful bikes, but at the minute we're doing great. Like, we're just going to go along here, then we're going to hit the road, and it's going to be good.
So let me know what you think in the comments about this series so far. Would you buy one? Wouldn't you buy one? What are we thinking? Obviously the links are in the comment. If you tell them you saw my video, they'll give you priority shipping, they'll sort you out with extra bits. As you see on the comments, one of my subscribers bought one within 2 days. He had it. Cherry Bomber, I think the name was. So yeah, let me know what you think. Obviously I'd like to do better videos, but I'm sort of getting used to all the extra cameras and stuff. And tell me what you want to see next.
Talking about what you want to see next, we've got that Super 73 coming up as well, so we're going to be putting a 72 volt in that, doing about 14,000 watts, and also I'm going to be looking to see if I can actually get a track to hire and take it along the track and do more sort of on the road stuff.
So I do not want to be going mental on here, because like all roads in England, none of these are bloody straight. and I ain't got my helmet on. Whoa. Right, we've done about, that one's a little bit out, we've done about 25. Yeah, so that had a lot more left in it. But like I said, I ain't got my helmet. So I do not want to be taking a risk. I'm now about to go on public road, so I will be doing 15.5 mile an hour. No throttle, just pedals. My hat's gonna fly off because I ain't got my helmet on. I thought I prepared, but I don't think people realise making these videos are not just a 2-second job. They take a lot of preparation. Hell of a lot of preparation. As you see, nice and lovely around here. Smooth on the road. Absolutely smooth. I'm just hoping everything's now connected properly. If I come off here, man, that's gonna hurt. That will hurt. So let me know in the comments what you think so far. You're liking all of this? A lot more to come. I've got bigger, faster, more powerful bikes to come, and they will be coming. Thanks. Thank you. People look at you, mate, when you're on a bike. To be fair, the way this is looking, don't get me wrong, I've got the camera out in front of me, so it does look a bit more suspicious. But yeah, look, I'll throttle it. It's got some acceleration, 2000 kit. You've got to bear in mind, I'm about 20 stone, just short of 6 foot. Well, I like to say 6 foot. And this is pulling me along with no problems. Obviously, when you come off the throttle and you start again, you are going to have less power. And that's because it's a hub motor. So it's not instant torque. If you had a mid-drive motor, that's instant torque. Top speed won't be as much as a hub motor, but you would have that acceleration. So that's why when I was on the hill, the reason it stopped is because I took the power off, and it just didn't have that go again. I reckon if I had a longer run up, I actually had my helmet on, and it weren't my first attempt, I reckon I would have made that to the top. And the size of me with a 2000 watt, this kit is strong. It's very strong. But no, I hope you enjoyed this. And like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe for your chance to win this. This will be yours. I will meet you, depending how far you're away, we might have to meet in the middle, or I might do a video, come and stay where you get an Airbnb, and maybe do a ride out with you with one of my bikes. Once again, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. I've got to be a bit careful now because dog walkers everywhere. Yeah, all right. Morning. I mean, just leave your dog in the middle of the road, don't worry, mate, you know what I mean? I won't run it over. Morning. Oh.
Once again, thank you for watching. I really do mean it. And if you can like, comment, share, subscribe, and obviously enter, this bike could be yours. If you're from abroad, the Far Driver kit will be yours. So just enter, just type in what country you're from, leave a comment, like, comment, subscribe. These will get better. I'll do more road bike ones. Just I wanted to test this out first. If I'm giving this away, I wanted to make sure it was right. And once again, thank you. And next up, probably the conclusion of this kit, then a few other bits, then we'll go on to the faster bikes, and we'll just keep the momentum going every few days. Thank you.